Yo, what's good, man? Your boy Rich, everything. Y'all know where I'm at, man.
You know what time it is.
Man. My boy Slick in the background, man. Y'all know we on the set at work, filming for Whip of the Week, getting that thing together. What you want to tell us, Slick?
Shoot, man. Hey, tune in March 29th, man. We live and direct for Whip of the Week TV.
Y'all see it, man.
Know,
and
man.
just so I can let y'all know, because I know a lot of people been looking and asking, but being that I got my boy Slick right here, I know I had a lot of people ask me about the t-shirts, a lot of people ask me about the sweatshirts. So I got Slick right here. Slick, you got any info on the t-shirts, sweatshirts, when they can start ordering, how they can start ordering?
T-shirts, sweatshirts, man. Hey, I'm gonna get y'all something so y'all can look at Thazzle as we do, you know what I mean? Pretty soon, just lay low, you know what I mean? Let us get all this filming out the way with, and I got you. Just stay tuned.
But they can't have no shirts like that though. We got these
well,
work
you know,
shirts.
you can't have ours, but you know, I want you to look as good as us
okay.
while you tuning in and watching Whip of the Week, you know, and hitting that line, Whip of the Week, Whip of the Week.
So he gonna jazz y'all up some.
I got you.
See, I told y'all I was gonna get y'all.
Promise I got you. Have I lied to you yet? Well, don't answer that. But have I lied to you yet?
I don't think he lied to you yet, man. I don't think he lied to you yet.
But
something. You know, a whole lot of inspiration so far, man. Whip of the Week, man. Positive vibes. I know. I did an interview. Shout out to my girl KP. You know what I'm saying? She actually interviewed me. KP, I'm gonna tell you what you need to do. I see you done interview the shooters. You done interview the racers. You know what I'm saying? I just asked one request. Even though my boy stay busy, you got to get my boy Slick on there for an interview. Just a short interview. Now, you can't ask too many questions because you might, you know what I'm saying, interfere with what we got going on. Now, I'm just joking with you. You know what I'm saying? But, yeah, you got to get my boy Slick on there for an interview. You know what I'm saying?
Get Poncho. We want Poncho.
Poncho, you want to do an interview?
What's up?
You want to do an interview?
Good. Walking.
Yeah, Poncho, you see my boy, he say he working, so we ain't gonna mess with him. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Y'all know how I always do it, man. Shout out to Glide Gear. They take good care of me. You see the my actual I'm just lost today, man. My camera stand and everything, man. It's Glide Gear too. Got that GH4 mic'd up, Rokinon 35mm lens that I'm shooting with today. Glide Gear Geranos. Got the Sony A63 on that thing, busting 4K kit lens right now. So, oh yeah, on cars is on, ONN, on. Find those cars at Walmart, man. I ain't even gonna lie to you, man. Cause a lot of people, y'all know if y'all own the Sonys, that the Sonys don't use all types of cars. But I was able to find these cars, man. And if y'all need a good car for the Sony right now, man, hit Walmart up. Walmart got them, man. What is it, 156 gigs too? 156, that's what we bought. I think it's 156, 156 gigs for like 17 and it's something like that. 200 and something gigs for like $32. But you can't beat that because the Sony does not allow you to record video with, you know what I'm saying, just any card. But yeah, like I was saying, man, right here in the workspace, y'all see my boy Poncho is right here working. Getting to it. Where you want to set a camera, Poncho?
Hey, man. How are you?
What you do, Poncho?
Squat.
Hey, Poncho went and got a haircut, right? But hey, look, you see he laughing. Poncho went and got a haircut, but Poncho got his haircut like mine.
Yes.
Yeah, Poncho went and got a haircut like mine.
Mm-hmm.
So me and him look like twins now. This is my twin, Poncho. Only thing he could, you need this.
No,
You need it. No, nut. You know this.
Not
clean.
yes.
Okay, he don't want that. So, but this
Little.
just a little bit. Okay, y'all see it, man. Look at here. Y'all stay safe out there, man. Y'all know that coronavirus is out there floating around and we trying to keep it nice and safe. Y'all see, showroom floor. My boy Slick keeps something coming in. He keeps something going out. Y'all see who I got at work with me today? I want to salute to them, man. They came to the shop today and actually, you know what I'm saying, helped us out, made sure everything was sanitized inside the shop and everything. So, you know what I'm saying, salute to that ugly person over there. Nah, I'm just playing. You know what I'm saying? Salute to Jay. Jay Monty on Instagram. Salute to the richest queen, you know what I'm saying? They just trying to keep us safe off in here by sanitizing everything for us, getting everything all nice and fresh inside the shop. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, on the set, whip of the week, my boy Slick already done told you, man. March 29th. It's on the way, man. I know y'all ain't seen much from me. You know what I'm saying? I've been hard at work behind that computer, doing what I had to do. And, you know, my boy Slick dragged me. He dragged me. See, he trying to run now. Come here, Slick. Come here, Slick. No, come here, Slick. I'm going to tell you now. I'm going to tell you why.
What I do this time?
No, come here. Let's walk over here.
Okay.
I'm going to tell you why I deal with my homeboy.
What I do?
And this, all jokes aside, I deal with my homeboy because he keep it 100.
All the way.
If it's coming up, it's coming out. You know what I'm saying? And, you know, not only that, you know what I'm saying? Mad shots out to him, you know what I'm saying? Because when I was about to put the camera down, you know what I'm saying, he made me pick it back up.
Hell no.
You know what I'm saying? So, you know, shout out to the fans, the ones who always hashtag, you know what I'm saying, keep the cameras in your hand and everything. You know, sometimes you got to get rid of the old and you got to actually get some new. So with that being said, we got rid of that old thing right there. This is a shop chair now.
That's a shop
You see what I'm saying? We leaving this here. This is my old chair. Y'all see how worn that thing was, man? That's from 2012. So this is the thing, man. I came over here grind with my boy Slick, man, and Slick started. He saw the workstation. He was like, "Man, Rick, you need
that
more.
Ain't gonna work.
You need more space, man. You need
That
more
ain't gonna
space."
work.
So I grind and I ain't gonna lie. You know what I'm saying? Hard work pays off. So you know what I'm saying? Shout out my boy Slick, man. He inspired me to go ahead and build a workstation up, so I can get these edits knocked out real quick. And I mean, he right here.
It's working.
You can tell him how the turnaround time is on it, man.
You know.
Whip of the week on the way.
On the way, baby.
Y'all-
March 29th. I can't wait. I hope y'all
telling you.
can't either, man.
I'm telling you, man.
We've
stay
been
tuned.
working. We've been putting in that grind now.
Oh, man, I'm telling you, cuz.
We've been working.
And the best thing about it is, hey, I get to see it in person. Nah, I ain't bragging. I ain't gonna do it like that.
What
but
episode we on? We on what about 10?
Well, you can say that.
We on about number 10, man.
And really, to be honest with you, in little time.
Yeah, a little time.
So-
So we've been 7 days a week for the last 3 months. Catch up.
No days off, man. No days off. Even when I ain't at the shop working, I'm behind the computer working. You know what I'm saying? If I don't call Slick, Slick gonna call me. You know what I'm saying? We might skip a day, but you know, when he does call me, he calling me to check in, see what's going on. I'm updating him on what's going on behind the screen. You know what I'm saying? It is what it is. And I know a lot of y'all right now probably sitting there saying, "Hey, we're Rich." You know what I'm saying? Because somebody asked me the other day and said, "Man, so you know, I don't pay the trolls no attention, but I know y'all keep asking, you know what I'm saying, about the box Chevy. And it's a time and a place for everything. And right now, you know what I'm saying, I'm trying to get all of my priorities or all my ducks in a row and just be patient, man. So, you know, my priority is family. You feel what I'm saying? So whenever it drop, it drop. You know what I'm saying? One good thing about that is, you know, like I say, I got real homeboys that hold me down and let me know, hey, you know what I'm saying, you got to have this right here. One always gonna come before two.
That's right.
You know what I'm saying? It is what it is, man. But we still trying to get to that 50K. Don't think I forget. We still trying to get to that 50K.
50K.
Go subscribe to my boy Slick, cause the 29th we dropping that thing on y'all. So, man, with that being said, We out.
In a minute.
Whip it away.
Chill.